Hey guys, my name is Bhavesh and welcome to Built on Shopify. In this video, I will be showing you how you can add cash on delivery or COD to your Shopify store. So first you need to come to the Shopify dashboard and from here you can click on the settings button. Once you're here, you can go to the payments option. From here you can scroll down and select manual payments and click on cash on delivery. So here it is asking for some additional details, so you can write in whatever details you need to provide. I will type in some text just to show you how it looks. And then you can click on reactivate or activate cash on delivery. Once you've done that, you can see that the cash on delivery option has been activated. So we'll go to our product, we'll add to cart and then click on checkout. Once we are on the checkout page, we can see that the cash on delivery option has been activated. Using cash on delivery, your customers will pay you only when they receive the product. So if they have any trust issues, if you're a new site, then this method can help you increase your sales as your customers will only pay when they receive the products. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you liked it. If you did, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you need some additional resources, I'll put them in the description below.